Another day, another story. Electromagnets work by using an electric current to create a magnetic field. When an electric current flows through a wire, it creates a magnetic field around the wire. By coiling the wire into a loop or wrapping it around a core made of a magnetic material such as iron, the magnetic field is intensified. The strength of the magnetic field created by an electromagnet depends on several factors, including the amount of current flowing through the wire, the number of coils in the wire, and the magnetic properties of the core material. By varying these factors, the strength of the magnetic field can be controlled and adjusted. Electromagnets are used in a wide range of applications, including in electric motors, generators, speakers, MRI machines, and many other devices. They are also used in industrial settings to lift heavy objects or sort materials based on their magnetic properties. Thanks for watching.